Warren Buffett hasn't sold Coca-Cola in 30 years, despite crashes and booms. His patience rule: never buy anything you won't hold for 10 years minimum. Here's the complete wealthy patient system. Rule 1. 10-year minimum test. If you can't hold it in a decade, don't buy it. Rule 2. Choose boring over exciting. Banks, utilities, bonds beat trendy stocks. Rule 3. News blackout. Check portfolio once yearly maximum. Ignore daily noise. Rule 4. Auto reinvest everything. Dividends buy more shares automatically. Rule 5. Buy during crashes. Panic selling creates buying opportunities. Leeway. A $35,000 teacher bought boring Chinese bank shares 30 years ago. Never sold. Now worth $2.3 million. His day trader neighbor, $180K after 30 years of active investing. Patience beats activity every time. Studies prove investors who check daily earn 2% less than monthly checkers. Here's why you're not building real wealth. You confuse activity with progress. You check investments hourly, panic sell during crashes, FOMO buy during rallies, constantly search for the next opportunity while abandoning current ones. Every transaction destroys wealth. Studies show average investors earn 2.3% annually, while markets return 10%, not from bad picks, but from impatience. You're sabotaging yourself with motion instead of momentum. Meanwhile, the wealthy treat time as their most valuable asset and boredom as their greatest ally. They understand wealth building is a waiting game where the longest waiter wins biggest. Leeway earned $35,000 annually as a Shanghai trader. 30 years ago, bought boring bank shares and government bonds. Never sold, never added, rarely checked the prices. Today, $2.3 million portfolio. His neighbor, successful day trader, hundreds of yearly transactions, follows every trend, analyzes charts daily. After 30 years, $180,000 portfolio. Same time frame, same market access, opposite results. Leeway understood what wealthy families know. Patience isn't passive. It's the most active wealth building strategy ever discovered. The rich don't get rich being busy with money. They get rich being patient with money. While others play checkers thinking days ahead, they play chess, thinking decades ahead. The complete wealthy patient system. Rule 1. The 10-year minimum. Rich people will never invest in anything they won't hold for 10 plus years. This eliminates 90% of wealth-destroying decisions. Leeway's test. If I couldn't touch this for 10 years, would I still want it? No equals don't buy. Yes equals buy and forget. Forces focus on quality over quick gains, fundamentals over hype. Rule 2. The boredom advantage. Wealthy deliberately choose boring investments that won't tempt interference. No exciting startups, trending stocks, or revolutionary opportunities. Leeway's portfolio: major bank, government bonds, utility company. Boring? Yes. Profitable? 2.3 million profitable. Excitement destroys wealth. Boredom builds it. Rule 3. The news blackout. Rich systematically ignore financial news, predictions, expert opinions. News creates urgency. Urgency destroys patience. Leeway hasn't read financial news in 20 years. Doesn't know yesterday's, last week's, or last month's performance. Checks once yearly during taxes only. Rule 4. The automatic reinvestment. Every dividend, capital gain, return automatically buys more shares. No decisions, timing, or interference. Compound interest becomes compound acceleration. Returns generate returns, creating exponential growth only patience unlocks. Rule 5. The crisis advantage. During crashes, wealthy see opportunity while others see disaster. Don't sell, often buy more. 2008 crisis. Leeway bought more bank shares at 50% discounts. Those crisis purchases became his most profitable investments. Patience during panic creates real wealth. Mathematical power. Patience unlocks compound interest's true force. Years 1 to 10. Slow growth, seeming insignificant. Years 11 to 20. Acceleration becomes noticeable. Years 21 to 30. Exponential explosion, creating life-changing wealth. Leeway's 10,000 became 2.3 million through 30 years of 8% compound growth. Not brilliant picking. Psychological protection. Patience eliminates wealth destroyers. No panic selling during crashes. No FOMO buying during bubbles. No transaction costs eating returns. No tax consequences from frequent trading. No emotional decisions from short-term noise. Daily portfolio checkers earn 2% less annually than monthly checkers through frequent interference. Biggest enemy isn't market volatility, it's impatience. Week 1, 10-year test. Evaluate every investment. Comfortable owning 10 years without selling? No? Sell it. Yes? Commit to holding. Week 2, boring construction. Replace exciting with boring. Index funds over individual stocks. Established companies over startups. Dividend payers over growth speculation. Week 3, information diet. Uninstall trading apps. Unsubscribe financial news. Delete market bookmarks. Check portfolio monthly maximum, preferably quarterly. Week 4, automation setup, auto reinvest dividends, schedule automatic monthly investments, remove impulsive decision ability by making systems self-running. Monthly, ignore everything. No market news, daily prices, predictions. Focus on life, not portfolio. Annual, calculate returns and compare to patience level. More patience equals better results. Requirements, extreme boredom tolerance. Watch others make quick gains while building slowly. 20 to 30 year minimum time frame. No shortcuts exist. Absolute discipline. Resist optimizing, rebalancing, profit taking. Social pressure immunity. Friends call you boring, conservative, missing opportunities. Extraordinary wealth through ordinary patience. Lee Wei's 8% returns became 2.3 million because he waited 30 years while others waited 30 days. Most people can't handle the boredom. That's why most people stay poor, while patient people get rich. Lee Wei applied one principle: patience beats brilliance. Time beats timing. Boring beats exciting. Not a financial genius. Ordinary person with extraordinary patience. Wealthy families know building wealth isn't finding perfect investments. It's having patience to let good investments work over decades. Your choice. Spend 30 years constantly buying, selling, switching strategies, or follow the patience rule that's created more millionaires than any other approach. The wealthy don't get rich being busy with money. They get rich being patient with money. Question: are you patient enough to get rich? Hit that like button and subscribe for more wealth strategies that rich actually use. Comment your longest held investment. Remember, patience isn't just virtue, it's the ultimate wealth multiplier.